How to delete credit card from Shopify. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings, and then if you go to billing here, and you're gonna see here that I have my credit card, so I can simply click on edit billing profile, and basically I can simply click on this and I can replace this. So there are two ways to basically remove your credit card. So you either replace it with another payment method, or you can simply go and delete your Shopify account. So you can go to plan here, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on deactivate store, then simply choose any of these, and what you're gonna have to do, so as you can see, you're gonna have to select deactivate store, and after that you're gonna be able to basically remove the credit card from Shopify. Otherwise, the only method is to simply replace it with another payment method. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.